Industrial-grade automated welding workstation. Relying on mature automatic control system, realize the upgrading of welding processes towards standardization, intelligence, and automation. Each weld seam is flat and evenly stressed. Meets high industrial standard acceptance specifications. Industrial-grade automated welding workstation. Not only has the production capacity doubled, the yield rate has been significantly improved. It can more effectively control production losses, shorten the production cycle. The equipment supports personalized customization of working conditions, tailored and adaptive welding workstation solution, compatible with welding production scenarios across all industries.